Good day, my dear students. How are you today? I'm very fine. So, let's start with the class. Yes? Remember, we are gonna start with our date, and today is 4th of May 2020. Then we have to work with our phrase. The phrase it is, repeat after me. Enjoy every moment. Enjoy every moment, right? So remember, you have to memorize it. Then we have the topic. The topic it is contraction is. In Spanish, the means of is it is es o está, right? So, and now we have to use the contraction. The contraction of it is apostrophe. This is the apostrophe s. Right? So we have to write the apostrophe. The means is, it's the same like apostrophe s, and the means of it es o está, right? So imagine we are gonna work with our book and we have to use apostrophe s. As usual, we are gonna start with person. If it is boy, we have to use he, right? If it is a girl, we have to use she. But we are gonna use the apostrophe s. He, we are gonna change for it his, right? And when we have she, it is she's. Then in front of it, we have to use the word my. The means of my, it is me or miss. Yes? So, I'm gonna use something like this. And we have he's my, she's my, and you have to mention some member of the family. We have to use here family. For example, when I want to say his, because we are talking his, my, and family, for example, dad. We say, he's my dad. And we have his apostrophe s. In Spanish, él es mi papá, right? Second example, what happens when I have a girl? So we have to start with she, but we are going to use apostrophe s. She's my mom, for example. She's my mom. And I have one idea here. Ella es mi mamá. Next, what happened when I have other example? We are going to use his. In front of his, we are going to use my and one member of my family. Maybe we are going to use uncle. His, my uncle. Él es mi tío. And then when I have to start with she's, the last. She's, in front of she's, we are going to use my and one member of my family, sister. She's my sister. And the means of it, it is ella es mi hermana, right? Remember, the contraction of is, it is apostrophe s. And just we are going to use the apostrophe with pronouns. Solamente usamos el apostrophe s con pronombres. Nunca utilizamos un nombre. Ajá. Y en este caso vamos a trabajar his o she's, my, que significa mi o mis, right? Remember, in Spanish, mi o mis y un miembro de la familia. For example, repeat after me, repiten después de mí. He's my dad. Again, he's my dad. Other, she's my mom. Other, she's my mom. Next, he's my uncle. Again, he's my uncle. The last, she's my sister. She's my sister. Right? Very good, students. Now, we have to work with our student book in the page number 47. Vamos a trabajar nuestro libro del estudiante, página 47, right? But in this part, we have to use the date, vamos a escribir la fecha, you know, and we have to use our stickers. Vamos a utilizar nuestros stickers. Unit 7, we have to just stick them. Solamente los tenemos que pegar. Then, después, in a white paper, en una hoja blanca, you have to stick me a photo of your family. Me tienes que pegar la foto de un miembro de tu familia. And with a video, con un video, 1 minute, 2 minutes, de 1 minuto, 2 minutos, you have to tell me tienes que decir, she's my mom, he's my dad, she's my sister, he's my brother, I don't know. And you have to give me your examples, right? Me tienes que dar tus ejemplos. After that, después de esta, we have to work with our activity book. Vamos a trabajar con nuestro libro de actividades, right? In the page number 45. In this page, again, you have to write your date. You have to remark who is dad, who is sister, who is brother, and you have to draw he or she. If it is a boy, you are going to use his, of a girl, she's, and you have to draw your friend. Tienes que dibujar a un amigo. En this one y en esta parte tenemos que unir y completar la palabra, right? Next page, en la siguiente página, page number 46, we have just to remark they, and we are going to remark the words. Solamente remarcamos las palabras. If you want, you can to color your book. Si ustedes quieren, pueden colorear su libro. And finally, page number 47. En la página 47, we have to look for these words in the letter soup. Tenemos que buscar estas palabras en la sopa de letras. And finally, you have to trace and color. Tenemos que trazar these words with different colors, and you have to color the drawings, right? So, dear students, that's all for today. Esto es todo por hoy. So, if you have one comment, you have to give me. And you have to give me your opinion about the class, right? So, have a nice day, students. Goodbye.